Hello everybody. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to tell you what a flat-backed millipede looks like. So, it's all black, and it's got teeny yellow spots like around, like in the line it goes down its back. So, and since we don't have, and I'm going to show you some butterflies that I got. So, here's one. Doesn't this look cool with the like green on it? And then like purple, and then on the other side there's like a teeny bit of orange, white on it. Like all colors like that, and like on the front and back. And then here's one is like golden there, and like there's like a golden there too. So this one is like it's cool with the pink and like the rainbow like on the tip of its wing. This one's cool because it has green on the top and yellow on the bottom, and also it's like, that's a cool butterfly. Ooh, I haven't looked at this one. So this one is like how it looks like. It's like all green with like some yellow that's on it, and like some pink. Doesn't that look pretty? So there's like a golden one. So look at this blue one. It's like pink and like little yellow dots. So this one is cool because it's like there's pink all around it, and there's like different colors, like the other colors that you see. So maybe that one looks like. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.